So never interrupted any struggle, any bad thing. So when you do any good thing, at that time you will get struggle. At that time you will get all type of interruption will come on your heart, either physical way. So the more problem, the more opportunity, So uh, and not allowed overthinking when you do a good thing like exercise. If come overthinking any kind of, that's a waste of time, not allowed there. Not overthinking allowed in your work. So what you do, instead of that, you will do done. All sort of thing will be done, like 5 minutes I will done my exercise within 5 minutes. Do that, done. Not overthinking. So today's video I will show you exactly how to do better, how to do more. So you need to do more than your surround people. Not average person. Don't be average person. Be obsessed person. I want to be obsessed. What about you? You need to be obsessed because you are my audience. So number one, stop overthinking to do more. Stop overthinking to do more. So how to stop overthinking? You need to set time. 1 minute I will write my script. Done. 5 minutes I will cover my exercise. Done. 30 minutes I will read 5 pages of book. Done. Do that. If thinking come, fucking thinking, overthinking, always away, always throw away from your mind. Do that. Take risk and problem. The more risk, the more problem, the more opportunity you will get. So so problem mean opportunity. Never frustration, tired. Oh, when I do that, I always face problem, risk. Do that, take that, man. So you need to take risk. The more risk, the more opportunity. So take a risk. If you like, if you have money or if you have time, invest your time to improve your skill, to improve your life. First of all, time, not money. And you can as well, if you have money, you can invest that. Nothing risk here. You can just, risk will come, but you need to control that. The more risk, the more you spend money, the more you get money. Do that. Take risk and problem. Number two, done. Number three is learn from master, expert, and good place. you know you can learn from taking book, you can learn from taking course, online course, and Udemy, all sort of course. So like, if I master about like exercise, you need to learn from me because I have done that. You cannot learn this from a school teacher because their profession is teacher. So to whom, to whose you can learn? You can learn from master. If you want to learn Python, you need to go Python master. They build apps, successful apps, successful website. You need to go there for learn, and that's it. Learn from expert master and good place where exactly provide you their entire knowledge, how this work, how that work. Do that. So I will try to make you better in your life. So do better. Today's video I have done about how to do more, how to do better. So you need to do better, more than other people, more than your country's people, more than world people. So do that. I'm hoping you will get something from this video. See you later in the next video.